It's a very simple but elegant fire poker based on some historic examples that I've seen in Taos, New Mexico. I went ahead and cut 5 of these because it's more efficient to work these in small batches. The material is just plain mild steel, 1/4 by 3/4 by 24 inches long. The first thing I'm going to do is just forge a short taper on the end of the bar to make the point. Drawing out over the horn is oftentimes more efficient than drawing out over the face of the anvil, but you'll need to clean it up on the face of the anvil to get nice smooth surfaces. It's probably best to work this in fairly short sections. You don't want to try and draw the whole thing out at once. Although if you're using a power hammer to do it, you might be able to get away with it. I want to knock the sharp corners off the bar just because I think it gives a better appearance. And then working down into a black heat helps smooth things out and knock all the scale off. The exact length, the exact degree of taper is really something I do by eye. These ended up a little bit shorter than I originally intended, but I really like the way the taper looks and I don't want to make it too skinny as it gets out to the end. So this is where I'm going to leave it, and we are going to turn our attention to the handle end. This is going to have a twisted handle, which is one of the things that really sets this off and makes it something more than just a flat piece of steel. But before I do that, I'm going to put a little ring and curlicue on the end, then we'll get around to twisting it. We'll isolate the material to make this ring with some half-face blows at the edge of the anvil, and then we'll draw that out. That completes a very simple but elegant fire poker based on some historic examples that I've seen in Taos, New Mexico. This is just really a simple piece with the straight lines, a twist that makes for a more comfortable handle, and a ring to hang it from. And hopefully you have time to get out to your shop, either try this or make something else. But stay safe, wear your safety glasses, and we'll see you for the next video.